Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence. My name is Komalvi and today I am going to teach you the next part of the naming words, and that is names of person, animals and birds. Now in previous video we talked about naming words. What is naming word? In English we learn many words, but some words we are using as name. For an example, when I am saying Maya, this is name of one girl. If I am saying Rose, this is name of flower. So Rose, Maya, this type of words in English we are using as name. So those words we call naming words. But in that there are many names. Names of person, names of animal, names of birds, names of places, names of things. There are many different names we can see in naming words part. So today we will talk about name of person, name of birds, name of animals. So just look here. First we will talk about name of person. Now what is person? Human beings. When we talk about human beings, in human being all persons they are having their own name. As I tell you that girls they are having their own name. Maya this is name, then Shreya this is name, Kalpana this is name. In boys you can see that Rahul, then Ratan, Mayur, these are some names of boys. So these we call name of person. But in our house there is mother, father, grandfather, grandma, our sister, brother. We are living together in our beautiful house. So mother, father, grandfather, grandma, these are also naming words. These are also name of person, right? When we are talking about grandmother, we can easily understand, grandmother means what? Grandmother means father's mother. We are talking about that person. So there we are using grandmother, this name for that person, right? And if we want to talk about our father, so we are saying, my father is working in hospital, my father is doctor. So this way we talk about our father and we are taking the name, father, this name for that person. So now here you can see that I draw some picture here which you like most. You like to see just see the pictures and you like to match the words with the pictures. So this one is very easy and interesting part for you. Now just only we talk about names of person, right? Person means lawyers, they are working in a court, they are making argument for their cases. So there the lawyer, this is name of that person. Who is looking after the patient? Doctor, correct? So doctor, this is name of that person. Here which picture I draw, those pictures you just match with the correct name of that person. Now just look here. You can see this man is wearing a cap and there is badges on his coat. Now who looks like that person? Means what we call that person? What is the name of that person? You know who fly aeroplane in air? Yes, you know that. That person we call pilot, right? So here, where is the spelling of pilot? The picture of pilot you match with the word, with that name. So now Pilot, pilot. So we will match this picture. We will match this picture with this word, this way. And you also learn the spellings of pilot and other new words which we are going to learn here. Here, a person who is working with a hammer on wood, what we call that person? Correct? You know the name of that person. There is a particular name for this person, and that we call carpenter. Some kids they will think about it that carpenter means it is car and painter means the person who will paint the car. No, it is not like that. A person who is making the furniture, working with wood, that we call carpenter. Now here, where is the spelling of carpenter? So with the help of the phonics, you try to read the words. Now, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. This is the spelling of carpenter. So the picture of carpenter we will match with this word. Now next picture you can see it here. We are listening many stories. That stories always start with a king and with a queen. So here the person who is wearing a crown and wearing the good clothes and very nice clothes here, this person is king, right? Is it king? Yes, this is king. So we will match the picture of king with king word. Now first you have to find out that where is the spelling of king. And what is the spelling of king? K-I-N-G. King. Now where is that word? Is it here? No. Is it here? No. Is it here? No. But is it here? Yes. K-I-N-G. King. So we will match this word with the picture. And now here we go. Now the next picture is, in every house there is small kids. There are some small kids. There are some small babies. We call them baby, right? So here is the picture of one small boy who is just only trying to walk with the help of the knees and taking the support of the knees. So what we call that? We are saying baby. Okay, who are very small, we are calling them babies with this name. So here spelling of baby is B-A-B-Y, baby, correct? So where is that word? Find out it. Is it here? Yes, it is here. So with the help of the chalk, we will match the baby word with the baby picture this way. And now the next one is, you know that when we are feeling sick, if we feel unwell, we are going to the hospital. And there is one special person who is always look for the patient and who is giving us medicine, who is just telling us that what is our problem and solving our health issues. So that person we call doctor. Doctor, this is name of that person. Doctor, this is name of that person. Now, we cannot call lawyer with the doctor name. Doctor is a particular person and lawyer is a particular person. So here doctor. What is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Now find out where is that word and match this picture with that word. So here it is. The doctor, this word we will match with the picture. Now the next one is remaining. Clown. So clown means what? Now we are saying joker. We are going into the circus. We are watching that one man who is coming there with a colorful face and who is trying to crack some jokes and who is always trying to make the person happy and just force them to laugh. So that person we call joker in our language, but that we also can call clown. So here the spelling of that is C-L-O-W. So this word we are going to match with the picture. Now here is the picture and here is that word. So this way we complete this interesting part of the first question. But it is also very important that we should know that how to read the word and we can, after that only we can classify the words in a group. So here the next question is, now you know that which words are names, which words are names of person. So if I tell you that tree is it name of person? No, this is not name of person. If I tell you duster is name of person? No, not at all. So you know that person means human beings will come in that, correct? So here they give you some blank space. They provided you some blank space. What is your work? In this help box, they give you some words, some names. But in these names, some names of animals, some names of other things. So what is your work? To find out the name of person and that you write in provided space. If any blank remains, so here you fill up any word which you know, which we learn in names of person in this part. Now look here, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Uncle, this is name of person? Yes, our father's brother we call uncle. So uncle, this is name of person. So we can write that word here in provided blank space. So again we are going to write it here. The spelling of uncle, you repeat after me. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. So here we will write the word uncle. Now the next word is school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. School, this is name of person? No. School, this is name of place where we are getting knowledge, where many students they are coming here, they are taking admission and your teacher teaches you about subject. But school, this is place, not a person. This is not any human being, right? So school, this word we are not going to write it here. We will just cut the word from this box. Next one is P-A-R-K, park. I know that all kids, they like to go into the park. They like to go and play there with their friends. They like to go with their families. So you know park means what? We can also call that garden, right? But garden isn't name of person. Any human being is there. This is name of any human being. No. Park, this is one place. So we cannot write this word in names of person. Again we will cut this here. But next one is F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. You know in school we are having many friends, we are meeting many persons, but some persons they become our friends. So friend, this is also name of person, right? So we will write this word here in the blank space. Now repeat after me the spelling of friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. This word we will write here in the blank space. Now the next one is grandpa. So now just before some minutes I just told you that when we talk about grandpa we can easily understand that we are talking about the father's father, right? About that person, about this one particular person we are talking here, right? So grandpa, this is also name of person. Grandpa means father's father, then we call grandpa. So this is also name of person, so we can write this name here in the blank space. So the spelling of grandpa is G-R-A-N-D-P-A. Grandpa. G-R-A-N-D-P-A. Grandpa. Okay. So now next one is brother. It is here B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Now brother, this is name of one particular person. Is it correct? You know that brother means whom we call him brother with this name. Yes, brother, this is also name of person. So we will write this word here. Okay. So brother spelling is B-R-O-T-H-E-R. This is the spelling of brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Now the next one is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father, this is name of person. Yes, we are just only calling father to a particular one, right? So this is also name of person. So this word also we can write it here. Now we are going to write it here. So father, M-A-T-H-E-R, and the next one is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother, this is name of person. Yes, mother, this is also name of person. So we will write M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother, this word here. This way we just only learn about some names of person. Now, maybe you understand this, that you understood this part, and now just only look at this picture. You are watching many movies, you are watching that Discovery Channel. In that, they are showing many pictures of birds, many pictures of animals. So already you know about animals and birds. There are many animals, many birds are there. But if I take name of one particular bird, if I say that eagle, you know that eagle, this is one bird, correct? You know that I am just only talking about one particular bird. So here if I say peacock, peacock is different bird. This is also bird, but this is different bird. So all birds and animals, they are having their own name. Same as we saw the first question here related to the part of name of person. Only that way we are going to solve the next question, which is related with names of animals and birds. Now you can see here this is fish. So here the picture of fish. Now you have to find out the spelling of fish from the circle and you match this picture of fish with this word. Now fish, where it living? This fish is living in a water. You already learned in science. You heard it about the fish. You watch many pictures on television about the fish. is F-I-S-H, fish. So we will, with the chalk, we will just only match the word with the picture. Here is the spelling F-I-S-H. Again, I'm repeating it. F-I-S-H, fish. So we match this word with this picture. The next one, what is here? Who like to eat green chilies? Who is able to talk some words like human beings? Who we are saying Mittu Mittu? Whose name is Mittu? So you know that bird. You know the name of that bird. That is parrot. Correct? So where is the spelling of parrot? So now find out from here. P-A-R-R-O-T. This is the spelling of parrot. We will match the picture with this word. Here we match this picture with this parrot spelling. Again we are going to repeat it here. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Next picture exists here. Who has a long neck? You know that. Who has a long neck? Correct. Giraffe has a long neck, right? In all animals, giraffe just only has a long neck. So where is the spelling of giraffe? Is it here? Yes, it is here. The spelling of giraffe is G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. So we will match this picture with this word. Where is the word? It is here. G-I-G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Next picture that most of the time in the summer vacation especially, you know, some monkeys, they are coming there, they start to swing on a tree, they start to eat that mangoes from the tree. So what is the spelling of monkey? Here I draw the picture of monkey. Here is the picture of monkey. But now tell me, what is the spelling of monkey? The spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Correct? So we will match this picture with monkey word. Now spelling of monkey, it is here. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Next picture. Who like to just only run after the mouse? We watch that cartoon on a television, that is Tom and Jerry. In that, who is Tom? Tom is cat. So now spelling of cat is very easy. Now find out from here. C-A-T, cat. Is it correct? This is the spelling of cat. Yes. So here we match this cat picture with cat word. Next picture. Who is very strong and who is a very, strongest person, strongest animal from the forest? All other animals are afraid from this one. So who is that? This is tiger. So spelling of tiger is T-I-G-E-R. But is it here any spelling of tiger? You can see it here. No, here is no spelling of tiger. We will write this spelling down side of this picture. The spelling of tiger is T-I-G-E-R. We will write this word here. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. This way we complete it here. Next picture. The most favorite pet ever. That is dog, right? We also call this puppy. If there is small baby of dog, we call that puppy. Now here is dog. Spelling of dog, it is very simple. D-O-G, dog. Correct? So where is that spelling? Is it here? Yes. Now you will match this word with this picture. D-O-G, dog. Next picture, deer. Deer we mostly see in zoo, otherwise into the forest. This we cannot keep as a pet. Spelling of deer, it is very easy. D-E-E-R, deer. Now let's find out where is the word. Is it here? No. Is it here? No. Is it here? D-E-E-R, deer. Correct. This is the spelling of deer. We will match this word with a picture of deer. Now the next one. Who you know very well that we are eating eggs, we are making the omelets with that eggs. So who gives us egg? So that we call hen. Spelling of hen is H-E-N, hen. So we will match this word from cow, and milk it helps us to become strong and for the fit body. So it is very necessary and important to drink milk every day. Now, where is the spelling of cow? Is it here? C-O-W, cow. This is spelling of cow. We will match this word with a picture. Picture is here and word that we are going to match it. C-O-W, cow. Now here this way we solve 3 questions which are based on names of person, names of animal and names of bird. Which picture we match here? Some pictures are animals, some pictures are birds. Now the first one, fish, it comes in bird or animal? Where it comes, in which group? Now the next one, parrot, in which group it comes? Correct, they are coming in a birds group. Then giraffe, giraffe, this is name of animal. Monkey, this is name of animal. C-A-T, cat is dog. Dog, this is also pig, animal. Next is deer, D-E-E-R. Deer, this is also name of animal. And hen, H-E, hen. Hen is animal? No. Hen, it comes in birds group. So hen, this is bird. And C-O-W, cow. Cow, this is also animal. So we learn some names of animal, we learn some names of birds and some names of person. This way we complete our this topic here.